Hi guys, Jay Woods here with KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We are back to do 2 boxes of 2015 high-tech baseball for SawMillThug, and he has picked boxes 3 and 8 in the chat room. So that's box 3, that's box 8, just to show you 3 and 8. We're going to start with box 8 just because it's the one that got on top. Good luck, Terry. Get you a Bo Jackson PC, love. I haven't seen a Bo Jackson yet. I've not seen a Bo Jackson auto. Our cases have just been disgusting, Terry. All right, we got Panda, Pablo Sandoval. Greg Maddux, Circles. Purple, 1 in 3 packs, Micah Johnson. Micah. Chain Link, rookie, Addison Russell. Apparently that's a shorter print, but not the shortest print. Oh, nice. Not numbered, Bernie Williams. He's got a nice auto. Not the biggest auto, but it's a very nice auto. The Bernie was not numbered. Circuit board, Alex Gordon for your Kansas City Royals. Trout. I don't understand why they picked this picture for Mike Trout. This is the weirdest picture for Mike Trout ever. I don't know what he's doing in this picture. Circles. And Javier Baez. Alright, box 2. This is the second box you're doing, which was box 3 as picked by you. Good luck, man. Yeah. Empty box and your pack. They pick weird pictures for people. All right. Iron Man, Cal Ripken. Outlighter is in this. Jared was right. Outlighter for the Yankees. Nice gold. Nice gold. Carlos Correa. And that is 32 of 35. It's the second gold Correa I've hit. I hit one for Walter the other day. I'm going to call this the Spearhead, Devin Travis. I got a nice auto. Goldie. Goldie not numbered. Not numbered Goldschmidt. What's up, Cord? You're a little late, man. Goldie on your auto. Not numbered Goldschmidt. And Miguel Cabrera circuit boards. Hey, we already pulled the James Shields out of this case, Cord. Circles. Paul Goldschmidt to go with your auto. And Robinson Cano. Those are 2 pretty nice boxes, man. Thank you, Terry. Appreciate it, man.